It's me, Decillion.
And it's me, Decillion.
And we're the Number Brothers. Let's go.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I'm Decillion, and I have 45 zeros! Decillion.
And I'm Decillion, and I have 48 zeros. Decillion.
Hi everyone, I'm Decillion, and I'm the Easter Bunny.
Come all to the amazing Wonder Egg Hunt!
To the amazing Wonder Egg Hunt!
Did you hear that?
Yeah! It sounded like it was coming from that away.
I think it was the Easter Bunny.
The Easter Bunny? That means there's gonna be chocolate Easter eggs!
We can't miss out on that.
Let's go! Hey! Stop running so fast! Those chocolate eggs are mine!
I better get going.
Hi there, little ones. You made it to the amazing Wonder Egg Hunt. Here are your baskets. Thanks. I've hidden 10 eggs that you need to find. Whoever brings back the most eggs wins an awesome Easter surprise.
Which is gonna be mine, of course!
Oh, we'll see about that.
Calm down, guys. It's just an Easter egg hunt.
Good luck on finding those eggs, one, 'cause you're gonna need it!
Whatever. We'll see who finds the most eggs.
You're on!
I found one!
Hey! This egg is mine! No! I saw it first, so it's mine! Just because you spotted it a split second before me doesn't mean you get to claim it! Besides, when I win this, that awesome Easter surprise will be the perfect addition to my collection.
Your collection? You mean that pile of random junk you keep in your room? That Easter surprise deserves a better place in my room.
Don't call my room a mess! It's filled with the cool stuff I've collected, okay? And that Easter surprise? It's gonna be the best thing ever in my collection!
Maybe your room isn't a mess, but it sure is if you had—
Stop! He's getting away with the egg!
Give it back! I'm out of here!
You're back! Let's count the eggs and see who found the most. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10!
Yeah!
The winner is number 2. Now, let me get your prize. I'm Decillion, and I've got 51 fluffy zeros. Decillion. Here's your prize.
Thanks.
Who needs that fancy Easter car anyway?
Come on, guys. All because you didn't win doesn't mean you can't hitch a ride. Let's go.
I'm Decillion, the rock star.
Can I get your autograph?
Sure.